Hello guys, yeah, this is Sam again coming your way. Today we're going to uh, continue with our Sophos config. The last time we we set up a LAN to one rule to enable um, a particular IP group or range access the internet. But today we're trying to create a few filtering rules or filtering configuration. Okay, so chances are you're going to find yourself working in an organization and they're going to look up to you to be the main guy to be able to filter the internet and keep certain content that are not good enough for the office at bay. So if you're ready, let's get on with it. By the way, if you like the content so far, you can go ahead and click the subscribe button and then click the notification bell to receive the latest updates by way of videos. Right, so if you're ready, let's go. So with this, we are looking at two ways. This you can block unwanted content from applications and from the web side. So we can start with the web. And by the way, we also in this video also show you take you through the steps of creating a schedule for the filtering to start, when the filtering starts and when it stops and when it starts again. Yeah, so let's go ahead. So we go over to web and for the purposes of training, we can start here. We say add. Okay, so we can say office filter. Okay, so we can go ahead and we say add rule, but we can say add rule on all web traffic. So we are going to over here and we say, so for the office environment, we are looking at uh, making sure people are working all the time. So stuff like YouTube and stuff uh, can't be part of the office content. So depending on your needs in your environment, okay, so we can say bandwidth and heavy browsing, okay, and we can also block online shopping. You can block unproductive browsing. You can block nudity and adult content because you don't want your users going to those sites. And you can block games and gambling. Okay, this is just to show you how these are done. Okay, so you apply these items. So you can go to add again. Now this is user activity. So we can go ahead and we say um, for now we're going to do a web category. Okay, so we say advertisement. So you can imagine you want to open a particular web page and there are a lot of ads here, left, right, center, forward. You can block all this from your browser. Okay, so we're saying we are blocking uh, advertisements, anonymizers. Okay, you can block gambling as well. You can block hacking, whatever it is, nudity, all those things. You can block them. Okay. Okay. So we've we selected quite a good number, so we can apply this. Okay, so these are the activities we are blocking. So the default action here, okay, is to block. All right, so the constraints are the parameters set for the rule to run and when the rule shouldn't run. Okay, so from here we can go. So in a typical office setting, you can say add, okay, to create your own. There's the default is always there. We go back here, you can see their default. So we can say block all time weekends, all times weekdays. Yeah, for me, I like to set my own so I can customize it the way I want. So let's go over. So we say office schedule. Okay, so we are saying it should recur because it's going to be something going on every day. Okay, so we say from weekdays, we should start work starts from 8 o'clock. So, it starts from 8 o'clock. So in case you want to give them a break, so it ends at say 1 o'clock. Okay, so now it's going to run weekdays, so Monday to Friday. It starts at 8 and stops at uh, 1 o'clock. Um, at 1 o'clock. Okay, yeah. So stops at 1 o'clock, but we want after 1 o'clock it should get back again. So we say weekdays, and then we select. So now it should start from 2 o'clock, and then after work stops at 5. So we say choose 17 hours. Okay, so work ends at 5. Just that's if you want to give them a break. Okay, so after 5 o'clock, it's free until 8 o'clock the next day. Okay, so we'll go ahead and then say great. So now the rule is set. The the web filter is ready. So we have to select on this to make it active. Okay, so at this point we want to enforce safe search, enforce YouTube restrictions, and go ahead and save. But feel free to add a question or any comment in the comment section below. So it's asking us to add it to the rule, so we can go ahead and say, well, we say skip step, and there are some rules running here we can add to. So we go over here and select this. Now at the web filtering side, we select our policy. So go ahead and say office filter. So we select this KYC protocol, and we wanted to scan HTTP and decrypted HTTPS as well. So save. So wait for it to sink in, and your role is ready with the web filter. Yeah, so until we meet again, thanks for tuning into the channel and watching this video. um, you can always put a comment through on the comment section, but like, share, and then subscribe. Thanks guys, cheers.